Weather's getting warm, grass is growing. It's time to pull out the old lawnmower. So I've had this lawnmower. It's the Honda GCV 160. Well, that's the motor, or the Red Max GCV 160, whatever it is. I've had it for 4 years. It's been a fantastic mower. Been happy with it, and the last 2 years I've kind of neglected it. So it's time to do a service, get it ready, as well, be cutting grass pretty soon, probably tomorrow. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and start with the filter, because that's easy. It's actually not that bad. Let's go ahead and take out the plug. Had it for 4 years and never changed it. They typically don't go bad and I reuse them, but considering I like this mower, might as well. And I'll still keep the plug around for something else that might need it. Yeah, it still looks pretty good, but since I'm here, why not? This blade has seen better days, so let's get that out. Let's get a new blade too. 14. All right, let's go ahead and vacuum all this stuff out since we're here. Gotta drain the oil. Typically I should get a better pan for this, but I keep forgetting to buy it. So I keep using this and kind of force it in there. So it should work. All right, leave that draining for a while. Let's go get some parts. So stop by Hope Mills Saw and Mower. It's the local shop in my area. Pretty good people, good prices. Able to pick up the blade, brand new blade, new spark plug. Like I said, there's probably nothing wrong with the other one, but you know, while we're here, got a new filter. Part number, well, there's your part number for that. So got what we need. Love going to this place, so let's head back to the house. Let's put my mower back together. All right, let's pop in our new blade. It says grass side right over there, so we'll go with that. Should be torqued to spec. Some fresh oil. The Briggs & Stratton. The SAE 30. Mostly because it was on sale. Alright. Oil's good. New plug. Let me check the gap. About 32. Let me double check and make sure I got the right spec for it. The gap's supposed to be between 0.028 and 0.030. So we are 0.032. Already kind of shrunken down a little bit. So we're about 0.029. So I should be good with that. Pop our plug in. brand new air filter. Let's pop you in. Easy service. $28, new plug, new filter, new blade, and she should be good to go. I probably didn't have to buy the plug, but like I said, I've had it for 4 years. Why not? The filter, I probably could have dusted it out, but typically I change the filter once every season. I do the same thing with the blade, so what, maybe $22 just minus the plug. I think the plug's like $6. But for 4 years, I've never had an issue with it. Runs fantastic. Literally took me probably 30 minutes, probably an hour, because I had to run out to my local stores. So should be good, ready for grass cutting season, and we're ready to go. So thanks for watching, and we'll see what we fix next.